5 remedies to grow hair faster naturally. This video will show you 5 simple remedies that you can do right now. Your hair loss and thinning will be solved if you follow these diligently. Subscribe to Debongo channel. Number 1. Onion and fenugreek juice. You will mix onion juice and fenugreek powder. Finally, massage your scalp using this. Allow it to rest for 30 minutes. Then wash with shampoo to clean it further. Anti-inflammatory and antibacterial characteristics are present in onions. Fenugreek is a substance that can help to stop the production of DHT. This mixture is essential for your hair growth. You can use it 3 times a week. Number 2. Aloe Vera Gel Conditioner. You'll combine fresh aloe vera gel with curd to create a paste. Put the solution on your head in the correct manner. After 1 to 1.5 hours, remove it and wash it with shampoo. You'll find vitamin C, E, B12, and folic acid in this combination. This mixture will strengthen your hair and make it silky. This treatment may be used 2 to 3 times per week for improved results. Number 3. DHT Blocker Mask. You mash 1 banana. Add 2 full spoons of olive oil to the mix. 1 spoonful of onion juice and lemon juice are mixed. Then, using your fingertips and scalp, massage your head for 5 minutes. Allow it to sit for 20 minutes thoroughly. Wipe it with a damp cloth. Once a week, clean it with shampoo. Your hair follicles will stay healthy, and your hair growth will improve due to the use of this mask. Number 4. Coconut milk. Natural fatty acids are beneficial to your scalp and hair moisture. For 10 minutes, heat the coconut milk and massage it on your head. Put coconut oil on your hair and then above it. Then, leave it for 1 hour. Then, wash it with shampoo after 1 hour. Your hair will no longer fall after this procedure is completed once a week. Number 5. Green tea. Boil water for 15 minutes. Add 2 to 3 tea bags of green tea. And let the water cool down. After shampooing, put that water in your hair and do a massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wash it with plain water. Green tea also has catechol, which reduces DHT. It also contains polyphenols, which strengthen your hair root and can be done twice a week. Thank you for watching.